Good evening to all. Ang ganda-ganda mo, te. Ano ko rin. Sarado mo rin ang pinto. I wanna believe I can love. Thank you for the 1 million in the house. Thank you so much. Ouch. Ang ganda mo, te. I wanna believe I can love. Oh, wanna say you love me. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello. How are you? Thank you for 2 million in the house. Sino sila? Sino-sino sa'yo? Comment now. I wanna believe I can love. Ang ganda-ganda mo, te. Zakay. What? Zakayo 1GC. Hi, Zakayo 1GC. Hello. Where are you from, Zakayo 1GC? Gab, nagla-live ako, Gab. How are you? I wanna believe I can love. Val 20, hello beautiful. Hi Val. John Mark Santos, hello John Mark Santos. Hi, thank you for the thumbs up. Hello. Thank you for 21 people in the house. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Thank you for giving. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. I wanna believe I can. How are you? I'm fine, Val. How about you? Where are you from, Val? Thank you for the thumbs up. Vasin. Hey, sweetie, you so beautiful. Thank you. Kenya. Oh, okay. Are you from Kenya? Zikayo 1GC. Nice to meet you. I'm good from Val. Where are you from, Val? Carl. Kali. Chino Pomot. Around. Around. What around? California. Oh. Nice to meet you, Val 20 from California. Thank you so much. I wanna believe it. Chino Pomot. DXM. Where are you from, sir? Sir or Val? Likewise. Thank you so much, Val 20. Thank you. Oh, tarapapay. Thank you, Val. Basin, where are you? John Mark Santos, hello. Where are you, Mark? Kuala Lumpur. Wrong spelling is wrong. Charot, joke. Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. I wanna believe I can love. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you guys. I wanna believe it. Thank you sa nagta-thumbs up on top. On top? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. What do you mean? What happened? You're so sexy. Me? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you to those who give the thumbs up. Thank you so much. I wanna believe, I believe I can love. The Slim 60. Slim. Thank you. Basketball now is done. Thanks. Quiet na. Quiet night na. I wanna believe it. What heck? What means? What? What is the heck? What does the heck? Thank you for 1 million in the... Maybe you're only watching Chino FOMO. Thank you. What's it? What means? What's the heck? What the heck? I wanna believe, I believe I can love. Thank you now, 3 people now. Thank you. Found below. What is the problem? It means no problem. No problem. Why? Why you say that? Why? Cheers. Cheers. Cheers for what? Thank you for 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. And for the thumbs up. I wanna believe, I believe I can
Mama, kita ka sa...
Up. Pasaksak baga.
Dito na ang dyan.
Nan, sige, saksak mo nan. Sige, doon mo nan. Sige, saksak mo. Di nag-ilaw. Diba, di. Oh. Dapat nag-ilaw yun. Okay, dito. na cord muna sa'yo.
Yan.
Ang cord na ibig sabihin. Ito. Ito.
Ano ito?
Ano ba?
Naman. Diri ka. Mama.
Nag-charge siya ng cellphone mo. Gamitan ng unanan ako. And charger ko. Isaksak mo dun sa charger ko. Thank you. I don't like disrespect people. So, maybe wrong channel to join that because I'm not entertained.
Oy, man. Ano nag-andar?
Maganda na. Sorry, I'm not entertaining people. Just here to rude. I'm not like that. Sorry. Your word is not appropriate. So, sorry if I am not entertaining. Sorry for all. I wanna believe I can. Quiet. It's quite a while. See, I told you what this guys want. What? I wanna believe I can. Diyan mo dahil ubo ka na kaya paano yung papaliwang ako ikaw kanina dire ka nagliutas yun ang sinulot mo na pang eskwela mo yada.
Di man.
Diyan ulo mo ayaw dun sa may electric fan. Yes, some men like that, but not all. But I feel not all. It men, not all men like him. No, all of them on here want that. I think not. What? I think Las Orugas. Oh my god. I don't like. Gab, di diyan ulo ho. Yara yung umubidi ka pa.
Marami.
Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you to those give the thumbs up. Thank you guys. I wanna believe the way that you love. Thank you next sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you po. Salamat. Some just don't see it but they think it. Uh, I hope not. Because I'm do a poll. Because I'm here because of uh, because of for monetization like that. I'm not I'm not here for that. What poll I do a poll. What poll I do? What should I say? What should I see? Need to do a poll. For hala na. Loren, Loren, Loren na. Tanggutan mo tayo bunso sa may pingganan. Sulod, sa pingganan. Oo, sa pingganan. Ah, ang kaldero. Kaya mga sundo ng kusman. What poll do I, what should I see? What? It's really hard to explain. Do a poll. Hate me or love me like that. Ask all if they want to have. Oh my God, no, I don't like that. No, I don't. It's not ano. Maybe you need to delete it because it's not good here. You need to delete it, and they will go to 100% in 30 seconds. Oh my God. But I believe if you love someone, that's not all about that. If you love someone, all not all about it. Oh my God. What the heck? Ah! Thank you for the thumbs up. I don't need that. Maybe ano. And it's called off the reality, but maybe you need to ano, to handle that. That's why some people destroyed because of that. I just want to prove to you that's why they are here. Okay? Should I need to say? What what should I say? What do you want here? Love or sex? Okay, it's like that. Okay. Why? Who do you love? You. Oh my God. I just want to. What should I say on the poll? What is the important? Sex or love? Like that. Before start the live, need to ano. Before start the live, need to put the poll. Before start the live. I didn't see the settings here if. Yeah. Oh my god, sorry, sorry. Let me think. Okay. Yeah. Before before I start the live, need to do a poll. So I can't do a poll now. Okay, wait. Good morning, Cheryl. Headed to the airport soon. Just wanted to say hello and give a like. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much, Mike. Headed to the airport soon. Okay. Where are you going? Ah, yes. Have a poll now. What do you want here? Hey, Tim. Okay, tomorrow you put a poll. Okay, okay. Tomorrow. Hey, Tim. Good move removing that comment, lol. My- well, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I can do poll now. I can do poll now. I see the settings. I can do poll now. What should I say? Do a poll? What should I see the poll? What do you want here? Here, six or low, like that. That was just a poll question stack. Okay. What should I'm not interested in anyone under the age of at least 40, but I know where you are, where you, where you are coming from. Wow. Me, I'm 40 years old. Mike. At least 40, but what? What do you mean? Not now, Cheryl. Okay, not now. Okay, not now. Maybe tomorrow. I know, but anyone that didn't hear the conversation wouldn't. Lol. Okay. Where you going, Mike? Where are you going? Maybe further. Oh, Mexico. Wow, Mexico. Shit, he is talking to me. Ah, okay. She's talking to you. Not me? Ah, sorry, sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Shit. Oh my god. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. And to those who give the thumbs up, thank you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Well, where there was a guy on here that said he wanted to hair, so we deleted him. Okay. Oh my god. Have a great night, and hopefully I will be back online in a couple of days. Huh? Oh my god. Take care, Mike. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy your trip. God bless. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much, Mike, for passing by here. Thank you. God bless. Enjoy your trip. Mm, go on, stay out of the drug lords area. What? What then? Thank you so much for the 5 people in the house. Thank you. Thank you guys. So you wanna be nectar the sun. What do you not for you, Shara, it's for stock. Okay. I wonder. Why? Why you say that? Oh. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, maligaw man, mawalan, umikot man, sigawan, oh, maligaw man, mawalan. Oh my goodness. Why? Oh, okay. I'll be back in 10 minutes. I have to check my mom and for her flight tomorrow. Huh? What, me? And maybe you're wrong. You're wrong, chat. Maybe you're wrong. Wrong guy. Wrong thing. Wow. Thank you for the thumbs up. To give the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Masakit sa ano? Masakit sa mata. Ang ano? Screen. Okay. Too much. Sheryl, not wrong. Okay. Why you say that? Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Thank you for the six. Hi guys. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi guys. I'm doing for no, doing live because I have to check here in the live tomorrow. Okay. You do check in 24 hours in advance. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay, I understand him. Cheryl, grab that. Grab. 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 Oh. He he is taking the jacket back. You're not in her room so much. I hope you understand. Guys, you are taking jacket from me. Why? It's fine. Maybe he's busy. Maybe he's visiting. It's fine. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. We already talked about it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Tim. I understand. I do it now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Oh, oh, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lizard. Be right back. Okay. Okay. Take care. God bless. Magical man. Be right back. Okay, done. Done? Finish? So fast? So fast? Yeah, just take a minute to do. Ah, okay. Okay. Thank you for the time. People give the thumbs up. To those people give thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Oh, American. Here a lot, here a lot, here a lot are still sleeping or going to church. Ah, okay. You're going to church today? Tim, you're going to church today, Tim? No, oh my god, read again. Here a lot are still sleeping or going to church. Yeah, there people are a lot sleeping or going to church. But I'm asking you, you're going to church today? Yes, I understand. God. But I ask you, different statement. Why you make a lot of envelopes? Yes, because of to those who wants to vote me. Need to lot because need to ano, I said no. Ah, okay. Said because need to people want to vote me. I will give everybody. Need to earn, you know. Okay. Okay. I reveal myself. And I can say but it's not clean. Okay. Okay. Okay what? Okay for okay the what? What is the okay? What is okay? Tell me why. Oh my god. What is always okay? Oh, I ended live now. Goodbye. Paul, Paul, everyone, happy Sunday. Hi, Paul Crutch. Happy Sunday. See you later. I need to end live now because what? Midnight here. Need to sleep na. Tomorrow have a work. And thank you for joining guys here. Thank you so much. See you later. See you again. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye. Happy Sunday, everyone.